so this is fucking ages away into the future. But yeah, so we've got the car ready for tune. Chris at Prestige had it for probably almost a week. But yeah, sort of tried to do it when he could. And yeah, second pull blew the gearbox, so it's sort of been a shit time. And as early Evo stuff is super expensive at the moment, it is yeah, it's sort of just been pushed into the garage and forgotten about. But what we have done is, I'm currently in Rotorua, and what we've done is we've pulled everything out. Matt and Sean from Megan Turbo gave me a hand pulling the, or they didn't give me a hand, they did everything because they're GCs, but they pulled the motor and box out and yeah, dragged up here to Rotorua for Marsh to paint. So yeah, there's not much left of it now, but it was well overdue. Like, look at that. It's quite gross, so thought, fuck it, and why not, and pull it all apart and give it a birthday. So yeah, no, that looks wicked. Yeah, me, Marsh and Nick pulled it apart a couple of days ago now, so but I said to the boys, like, it's their holiday too, so just do it when we can. So yeah, it'll get done eventually. But what we have found is normal early Evo things. I don't know if focus, yeah. Classic Evo thing of rusting roof, so it'll have to get done at some point, but for now we'll just fill it up. I think he's put some of the rust stopper on there, so that should work. But it's going to look so good. Super excited. So yeah. Right, Marsh is done. He's prepped the roof for the holes, or rust spots, sorry. Bit of boggage. It's pretty good, really. Just to be mint as we can. Right, it's finally cooled down a bit. I'm sweaty as fuck. Marshall looks like, oh, I'm not going to say that on camera. But yeah, no, fuck, getting through it. Marshall found that most of this is bog. Hey.
Yep.
Yep.
Typical though for old cars.
Yeah. That should come up really good. Yeah. It's just little things, little things. I finally pulled the wing off the boot. I think they might have been running low on sealant. Yeah, she was on there, but.
I need a sponsorship from 6 weeks after this.
Ooh! Fuck, we're gonna put that much back on, or?
Absolutely. More.
Ooh.
Double.
More. Oh, is it?
Double it, give it to the next person.
You're having it next?
Yes, mate.
Yeah. It's pretty cool that it's a genuine 3-wing, which is cool, so yeah, getting through it. Right, a bit of engine prep. Oh, Tom's on the moves. Tom's on the moves. Marsh has traded in his fucking alien hats and used it on everything to cover it up.
Leftover 20s.
Yep. Leftover 20s.
20s.
Leftover ones, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Painted black, you never know. Never know. Marshall's all done. Fuck, it looks good. Real good. Way to pick an exciting colour, Marsh.
Yeah.
Did you pick that?
Yeah.
Yep.
Go for the best colour. Black.
So, Rotorua black?
Yeah. No, it ain't matte.
Ooh.
Should have been Matty B.
No thanks. Box of it. It's not back here. Yeah, so I pulled that out and Hello, it's not supposed to be there. So yeah, it's been a major. But yeah, have a look at that. Hell of a hole. But I don't know what to do. It's like, do we fork out for a dog box, or rebuild this one and wait for it to happen again? I don't know. We'll see.
Holy, here's your problem. It's supposed to be simple.
Oh my god. But you haven't even seen that. Have a look at that.
Holy. Oh, this is more of it. Wow.
Mush is supposed to prime. Ready to rock. Right, so Marsh has finished the car in there, or he's doing the panels. I'm just tidying up some bits and bobs with the spray can. It's not great, but fuck, that'll do. But yeah, clutch foot rest pedal, brake booster, engine mounts, horns, also the flap on the roof scoop. It's got this little spring loaded thing. Marsh had this chrome, liquid chrome spray can, so give that a go, see how that turns out. So looks all good. Car looks wicked. Yeah, just a matter of getting these panels down, these doors, put them back together, ready to go back to Wellington tomorrow. So yeah, should be a good one. Right, the 3 skirts are all done. We ended up shaving off where it usually says Evolution 3 because not an Evo 3, and I thought I'll be different and shave them off. So yeah, that looks really good. So you can slightly see it under the paint in the right light, but no really, no. Alright, here's a bit of an update. So all the footage before this would have been last week. Not last week, the week before. Yeah, we couldn't quite get it all done in time. That bloody cage, it took us hours and hours to sand and prep and clean, so that was a major undertaking, and yeah, so we couldn't get it done in time. So what we did is I just went back home to Wellington, left all the trailer here at Guy's and stuff, and yeah, was a major. But I'm back up now. I came up last night, which was Friday, Saturday now. But yeah, yeah, Marsh has just been plodding along with it during the week because he's been at work as well, which I'm super appreciative of. So yeah, thank you, Marsh. Love you. But yeah, yeah. So I'm just sitting in the ute now while Marsh is in there priming. So I like breathing, so I thought I'd stay out here. So yeah, that's where we're at. In the morning, Russell is going to come from RPM Fabrication. He's going to come and glaze the windows for me. Like, I'm a glazier by trade, but I don't want to fuck it up. I've never done one before, so he's keen, so he'll do it. Yeah, put it together and then load it up and go home. Should be all good to go. Right, pretty much all put back together. Just have to wait for Marsh to push it on the trailer because it's fucking a bit heavy. But yeah, all put back together. It's got a bit of tape holding on because I forgot to put the screws for that, but it's tied on. Looks wicked. Bloody wicked. Very dusty, but I'll give it a wash when we get home. Bloody clip still. Hold it down so that's sealed in. Yeah, wicked.